With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on a kite skillfully held stationary in the sky. Okay. So basically when a kite is skillfully held in the sky, if you remember, how is a kite flown? Okay. You must understand the basics firstly. Okay, let's suppose this is the ground and on which there must be a observer or a skillful man who is flying the kite. Okay. So basically this is the thing, and basically the kite will be obviously hanging on with the help of a thread. Okay, and it's not that kite is absolutely perpendicular or basically perpendicular to the ground. It's actually at an angle. Okay, so this is, let's suppose, the kite. Okay, and what is happening is that if you see the forces on the kite, what are the forces? Basically there is a force mg downwards, there is a tension force due to this string. Okay, also there is a force due to air which is on this side. Okay, aerial force, you can say air force, wind force, you can say wind. So what we see is that when we take the components of the things, that is tension. Okay, we take the components of tension firstly. Okay, so basically over here, firstly let's draw this kite. Okay, now when we take the components of tension, what we will have? We will have over here, let's suppose this is theta, so we will have this t cos theta. Okay, similarly this will also be theta. So wind force, let's suppose this be Fw. Okay, so there up there will be Fw cos theta. Okay, and over here there will be T sine theta, and there will be over here Fw sine theta. Okay, and if you see in the question itself, it's given that the skillfully held stationary in the sky. That means what? When can the body is in equilibrium, you can say body is in equilibrium. Okay, so when is the body in equilibrium? It is in equilibrium when total all forces are balanced. All forces are balanced. That means what? Over here, if any one force would have been the net force, that means what? The kite wouldn't have been stationary. That means what? Over here, F net is equal to 0. If any one force would have been dominating, let's suppose this force is dominating, then the kite would have had an acceleration over in this side. But in the question, it's clearly said it is stationary. That means what? The net force acting on the kite is basically 0. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.